And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and hopefully making money doing all those things. As you can tell, my voice is still shot. We'll see if it can come back later on today. I would be very happy with that. However, we're just going to go on to this today. Let me see. So first, let's get into the risk disclaimer screen. So we're going to be talking. I'm going to make this short too because my throat is not doing well. It hurts for me to listen to it as much as it is for me to hurt to talk. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration, although I have held NFA registration in the past, about 25 years ago. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And then in the CFTC risk disclosure, Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. And I'm also an aspiring prop firm trader, working with a couple of companies out of London, England. And that sometimes goes well, sometimes doesn't. Right now it's going fairly well. I need to go ahead and pull those up too on that. Go up to here and go ahead and pull up at least the trading platforms. And then I also have live accounts through Forex.com. An MT4 trading account with Forex.com and an MT5 trading account through Forex.com in case I want to get back into that avenue of things, which I still trade those platforms. But this is the only, from what I understand, this is the only proprietary firm platform that's available in the United States is DX Trade, which has its pros and its cons. It's not as much fun as as a lot of things. Look at that gap sticking out right there. It filled in the gap and then closed it right up again. How about that? That's on their 4-hour chart. But at any rate, there's no automation with this. It's just straight trading. Kind of pushing lower like that. How about that? So with that, let's go ahead and get back into what we're doing today. And we'll go ahead and, oh, look at that. As you can see, I'm also working on a Laravel project right now, too, which is very fun. I like Laravel. At any rate, here we go, DXY. The DXY is hanging around 97.90 today, kind of bouncy today. We've got any risk things going on today? Let's find out. I don't see any. Oh, China urges banks to curb U.S. Treasuries exposure on market risk. Huh. So China is implying that U.S. Treasuries are going to go under. Great. So that's starting off Monday great. And with that, the DXY is kind of hanging out, right, where it stopped a couple of days ago and right at the June 2025 weekly low close. So we're not going to be too concerned about that. China can do whatever China does. Because also considering we have been in a trade war with China for about the last 10 years. You know, just how life goes. I'm thinking the more fluids I get in my throat, the better my voice sounds. But anyway, euro versus the Great British Pound. Looks like the euro is beating up on the pound today. A little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Euro versus the dollar. Not a whole lot of action going on there. It's pricing over 119, which could be a thing. I like that. If we can break over that 119 mark right now and come in around 113.35, 119.35, we could see some action on that. Matter of fact, I might set that trade up right now. Do I have it in here? I think I do. There it is. 113.35. That looks very attractive to me. Because we're expecting a softer dollar this week. It's 10 o'clock. Why not? Go and get into this. 0.5. Let's see what the risk-reward ratio looks like. Stop loss, we're going to stop that out at 118.75. That's 10%. Nope. That is what we call a blown account when you do it like that. And you've got to be really tricky. DXY is fairly tricky about that too. So that's a 1% trade on that. On that, a 0.5. I'll keep it a 0.3 for now. Keep a smaller size on that. Let's see if maybe this might be a good trade. Might be. May not be. Looking for take profit somewhere probably around 120, which would be phenomenal. That'd be numbers we haven't seen in a lot. That's on the weekly charts. Oh, hold on. I'm staring at a weekly chart right now. And we have not seen this level since 2021. That'd be a 4-year break. 5-year break. Breakout. And had a test on it during the week, but the bulls have not been able to keep it up there since. We'll see if it'll go about 10 pips higher, and that should be the breakout mark. Anyway, okay, great. So we've got a trade in. Not yet. It's a stop buy stop at one. Where did I set it? 38, 34. Yeah, 119.34. So that'll be very interesting. Dollar versus the yen coming down a lot. Coming right back down to resistance. Let's get into the dailies. Weeklies are a great big look ahead. And dailies, it is not faring so well, which is fine. I guess the Japanese, the Japanese conservatives, quote unquote conservatives, won, whatever conservative means these days. So it did not take off in the other direction, like as I speculated that it might yesterday. Pound versus the dollar. Kind of take off the other direction. We've got dollar weakness, another good dollar weakness trade. Although the euro is looking more prime than the pound versus the yen. It's not responding as well. Look at that, rejected right off the that daily resistance trend line I drew a couple days ago. It's got 5 touches on it now, so that's good. It's touching that, but we'll see if we're going to get a test of support here, possible buy area here. And I wrote that down for some reason. I don't know why, but it's that would be a good buy area. It's right where it is right now, so I can probably get into that too. Euro versus the yen kind of topped out and then decided it was going to go nowhere. Dollar versus the CAD. Again, dollar weakness. It's going to be coming down a lot. I'm sorry, dollar weakness. The UCAD comes down. It's in a large buy area right now. At least it was. The buy area. Did I just see that buy area disappear? Fair value gap area just disappeared on me. I did. So this is breaking down. This trade is breaking down as we speak. CAD versus the yen right there. Kind of take it off a little bit. We'll see how far that goes. And right now it looks like it's not going anywhere. Oil. Look at that. Oil's perking back up again. $64 a barrel. You can still buy a barrel of oil with one of these, though, which is a silver dollar. An American silver dollar. Aussie versus the yen. Pardon me, Aussie versus the dollar taking off. Look at that. 70.84. So something's going on in China because China is the Australian largest trading partner. So something's going on there. Let's see. Gold. Gold is big sell range still right now on daily sell range over 5,000, 5,036. See if I can hold that for the weekly and get a weekly close over 5,000 before we'll see a resumption in the gold trade. Probably too rich for my blood. It's too bouncy, too speculative of a nature right now. And that is the one thing that I think might be driving a lot of the collapses of prop firms, underfunded prop firms, because then they have to start paying out when you've got on a run like gold and silver, and they run out of money because you're not supposed to win at trading. If you ever think that the trading game is rigged against you, you're absolutely right. Has been since has been ever since. Has been ever since I've been involved with them. Palladium's just kind of hanging out there. Silver again starting a new run. It looks like maybe not in a great big sell region right there, but it's still not where I would want it to in order to buy it. But anyway, that's where I've got today so far. We'll come back in tomorrow and do another one. In the meantime, I'm going to go back to building out tradingforexforprofit.com, which I'm building out to be a platform to train traders to trade past prop firm challenges and stuff like that, and just become a better, more profitable trader in general. So we'll see how that works. I'm very excited about it. I'll keep you posted on that. In the meantime, thank you for checking out this video with me today. If you'd like to see more of these videos, then subscribe to the channel, to the NeelyFX channel. If you want to make a comment, by all means, comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can, as soon as I notice it. And also, one more thing, if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up, and I'll keep making them. I'm going to keep making them anyway, but that's what I got for that. So you guys have a great one. I will talk with you later. Bye.